Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Jaclyn Hill x Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection. It looks like this. I'm going to be giving you guys some swatches, hopefully some specifics about like the product, like the cost, what you get, etc, and just give you guys my review, my opinion on it. If you're interested in watching, make sure you keep watching. Do not forget, before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to see you become part of the family, and make sure you like this video and give me a comment down below. I'm gonna probably give you something to comment down below, but just comment right now and then comment later. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. With the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill, ooh, it is reflecting off my ring light. So this is what it comes in. I got the little PR package thing, if it focuses. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a box. It comes with 4 palettes. So this is $49 itself. When you order it and like all together, it's $49. I used a coupon code. I used Jackiana's coupon code. I'll just put it on the screen if you want to use it. You can also use Alyssa Ashley's coupon code, but I don't know any other people coupon codes that I would like to use. But yeah, so like I said, it's $49. Yeah, it's $49. The palettes sold separately are $15 each, so you are saving $11 because it would be $60 if you buy 4, but if you buy all 4, it's $49, so you'll be saving about $11 plus the money you'll be saving if you use the coupon code. So yeah, it comes with 4 palettes, and when you take it out of the box, it has like another box like the same as this one, and like a little tab where you can like take all the palettes out, and they're all like labeled by name. They will ever focus. So the palettes themselves come with 10 shadows, and they are like themed, so like they're themed around like colors, I guess, and they do come with a mirror. So I guess Jaclyn like took our advice when she came out with this. She took some of it because it's still white, but she came out with a 35 color eyeshadow palette. It's called the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe x Jaclyn Hill on the back. And yeah, it just says, to all my loyal subscribers up here, there was no mirror, which everyone, well, a lot of people were disappointed about, but this is the first Jaclyn Hill palette. And she said like she wanted to put so many colors in this palette, and the colors that basically didn't make the palette were put into like her Vault collection and put into separate palettes to sell separately, I guess. If you guys didn't know, she also re-released it. I don't think she released it in the first place, but she was supposed to have a release sometime in July, and she sent out like PR packages to a lot of people, and they were saying like the swatches weren't right. Like they didn't feel like the original Jaclyn Hill palette swatches, which were beautiful. I love these swatches, how they are. They felt like normal Morphe shadows, and hers were supposed to be formulated differently, but a lot of people were saying like the shadows were patchy and they weren't like done right. So she held back the release for a few weeks. She was supposed to release it like the last week of July, and then ended up releasing it a week ago or 2, I don't remember. But it is going to be, it's sold out right now. It's going to be re-released. What day is that? August 28th, which hopefully I get this video out by. If not, it'll be up August 29th. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to go palette by palette. Hopefully, you know, they swatch good, because I guess a lot of people did get bad batches from this one as well. I'm going to swatch on this arm. But yeah, so we have Ring the Alarm. Let me go ahead and show it again. We have Bling Boss, which is like purple, like dark tones. We have Armed and Gorgeous, which is like the yellows and the greens. And then lastly, we have Dark Magic, which is like the dark greens and the dark blues. as you guys can see, like Potion did not swatch well. You can really barely see it. You guys probably see it better on camera, but I can barely see it when I'm looking on the frame. Like, it really looks like nothing. Where to buy these palettes? You can either buy these palettes at the Morphe.com website, which is just Morphe. I think it's MorpheCosmetics.com or just Morphe.com. But no, MorpheBrushes.com. That's where you can buy them. You can buy them, like I said, they come in a pack of 4, which comes for $49 instead of $60 because you'll be paying for $15 each. Or you can buy them from Ulta, which they do sell out quick because like the day of the launch, I went to Ulta. Even though I actually ordered them online, I went to Ulta for something else and they were gone. Like, I think it was only one of the palettes were left, but those are $15 each, but they do not sell the 4-pack at Ulta. I guess they don't sell that yet. But yeah, you can either get these at Ulta or MorpheBrushes.com. Also told you guys what coupon codes to use. So I'm not sure if I should use one palette or use all of them, but I will tell you guys that my favorite palettes are Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm right now because, I don't know, I'm more of a, like a pinky person, and these just like, they woke my spirit up. Like, I love these two. The other ones were okay, like this one, what was this? Armed and Gorgeous. It was really like gold, and it was like, yeah, that's cute, like gold and all of that, but it's not really my thing. Like, gold is my thing, but like not green and all that other stuff. And this is just way too dark for me. Like, I'm not like a dark gothic type person, so I'm either going to be using Ring the Alarm or Bling Boss today. I just don't know which one. Probably Ring the Alarm because today is the first day of college and I'm not trying to go out there looking like no crazy person. So I'm going to start off with the color Rush. It's right here. I'm going to be putting that in my crease. So I'm going to be taking a Morphe. I'm probably just going to be using Morphe products. A Morphe MB23. And I'm going to be putting Rush in my crease. See how that goes. Whew. And it's actually pigmented. It's like close to my skin color, so I didn't think it would show up as much, but it actually jumped out the closet. Like, Shorty was like, hey, what's popping today? I don't remember my last time doing eyeshadow. It honestly blends so nicely. It blends good. Like, you can barely see it now at this point. It blends so nicely. But now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking another brush, Morphe M330, and I'm going to be taking Mug Shot and putting that in my crease. This is Mug Shot. I don't know why it's this color and not why she named it Mug Shot, but I am taking Mug Shot and putting that in my crease area right below my transition shade. I'm going to be packing that first, and then I'm going to be blending. Like, pack, blend. It's kind of not blending well together. Maybe it's my blending skills, maybe it's the shine off, I don't know at this point. But let me see. Okay, I bet okay. Now, kind of looks like weird up in this area, even though like, you guys can see I'm really trying to blend this stuff out. That's enough. I had enough. I'm going to be taking the color Secret, which is this really dark brown. Right here, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. This was very pigmented. I didn't expect all of that pigment. Go back in Mug Shot to diffuse that color out. Didn't really blend well. Taking, like, damn, do I have to get into my skin cells and blend these? Rush and going over all those shades. They're not blending well. and it's kind of upsetting me because I know I didn't lose makeup skills. It's just that they're not needed. Okay. Let me take a big fluffy brush to blend all this out. Morphe 505. I'm just taking that to blend everything out. Honestly, didn't plan on doing this much, but I'm gonna be cutting the crease. No secret. Put that on my outer V. And for my lid color, I'm going to be taking the color Boom. That is right here. I really want to take the color Lolly, but that's like a strawberry lemonade type of color. Oh, Lord. She pigmented. It's kind of throwing me off. Taking secret again. I'm putting that like right above the color. I didn't want to do too much, but I guess I ended up doing too much anyway. I'm gonna do the other eye and come back. I'm using Warm Coconut, the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. As you guys can see, I got a little darker. A lot darker. A lot of. I probably don't need all these spots, but look at me. Pumping away. Why does this look different from this one? This one wasn't even in. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got foundation on my earrings. Sick. This probably looks so crazy right now. Like, I look so dark, don't I? Oh my god, I look orange as hell. Okay, let me take that off. Okay, gonna just go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Mind you, this used to be my skin color. Look at that. Damn highlight color. A mess. I'm doing this fast because I literally have to go to class in less than an hour. So I have to be on my way to class in less than an hour. So I don't know if you guys know, I don't highlight my forehead. Like, shorty is too big for me to be highlighting. I don't want to wear this to class. So I guess I gotta wear it to class though. I have no time to take it off. Taking the, yeah. This looks so pretty. Gonna blend the edges with the foundation brush. Alright, I'm gonna set my under eye right now. I'm gonna use a Sasha Black cup. Okay, I'm going to go in with some bronzer maybe. This is Peekaboo Neutral. Next, taking Stilo from LME X Color Pop. And I'm gonna put something else on there. Wait, let me set my first. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So this is the finished look. I definitely was not expecting to do all of this on my first day of school. I'm like, what the fuck? This is crazy. But my thoughts on the Vault collection. So definitely Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm are my favorites. I don't really care for the other two. I would suggest if like you one of them is just your favorite and not like all of them, I would suggest just going to Ulta or order from the Morphe website and just getting one of them, because there's no reason to spend $49 if you're not really invested. But I bought all of these just to review it for you guys, and because I'm really like a makeup person. But if you're like not really a makeup person and you like wouldn't end up using all of the colors, I don't suggest buying all of them. I would suggest buying them individually. Like the ones you like, I would suggest buying Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss only, but that's if you're like me and like pinkish and goldish colors and stuff like that. But yeah, overall they swatched pretty decent. The dark ones didn't really swatch well. I probably will, if I end up like playing in makeup later, I probably will end up like showing you guys how I use this palette in future tutorials. Overall, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Like, not a 10 out of 10, because this eye was so problematic. This eye was fine, but this eye was so problematic, and I don't know if it was the shadows, the brushes, or my concealer, but it worked out fine on this eye. So I'll give it like a 9 out of 10 because the display is beautiful. They have mirrors. 10 colors, $15. It's a good price range, kind of sort of. For Morphe, they're kind of like in the shadows. I just like kind of raise the price a little bit, but yeah, I definitely do suggest buying them if you are interested and you like this tutorial. So like I said, $15 each, $49 if you want to buy all 4. They do come with 10 colors. And yeah, you have information, morphebrushes.com or ulta.com, or just go to an Ulta store near you and you can get it. It does restock August 28th, which is today, so hopefully you got your hands on it. You know, if you didn't, just wait for the next restock, or hopefully, I don't know if it's sold out or not, but either go to your nearest Ulta or morphebrushes.com. But that is all for this video. I have to go. I have to take all this makeup off and get ready for school because it's 12:04 and I have a class at 1. So I really don't do reviews really, but yeah, that wraps up my review for the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and comment which palette was your favorite, either Ring the Alarm, Bling Boss, Dark Magic, or Armed and Gorgeous. Comment down below what your favorite palette is or what you might be getting come restock day. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.